Hi everyone, good evening, and I'm here waiting for you to be online. Hi Nilima, good evening. Nice to have you here. I'll just share this on my page. Hi Laju, good evening. Hi everyone. Okay, because I was not able to go uh, live on my page. Hi Bruce, good evening. Nice to see you here. Okay, because I was not able to go live on my page. Am I audible? Good evening. Nice to see you here. Okay, because I was not able to go live on my page. There is some noise in the background, right? Am I audible? Good evening. Nice to see you here. Okay, because I was not able to go. Is there some noise in any one of your videos? I mean, in your backgrounds? Background, right? Hi Preeta, it's so nice to see all my ex-colleagues here. Is there some noise in any one of your videos? Ketan, oh my, this is a huge surprise. Hi Preeta, it's so nice to see all my ex-colleagues here. Noise in any one of your videos? Ketan, oh my, this is a huge surprise. Okay, I'm just trying to get it online. I'll wait for a couple of minutes. Hi Cheryl, hi Swapnal. Hi Neelam. Hi Cheryl. It's all thanks to you that I'm here. Okay, I am just trying to get it. Okay. Hi Amit. Hi Kamal. Um, okay, guys. Is that noise gone now, Neelam? I was trying to adjust that as well. Is that gone? Hi Shubham. Oh my. I'm really having all my ex-colleagues here. Sorry, I was just checking. Hi Vanita. Neelam, has it sound gone off? Is that sound gone off? Yeah, okay. It's probably somebody else's this thing because I don't have anything on here. Okay, I'll just wait for a couple of more minutes till about 6:10. But I'll give you a brief of why we are here. Okay, I'm doing a small session on teaching you eggless cupcakes. I've chosen vanilla cupcakes for the simple reason most of the ingredients in these exotic cupcakes probably we would not be having at home. So I have chosen this simple vanilla cupcake recipe, which is with all ingredients which is very easily available in everybody's homes, even given the lockdown situation. So, and I will give you tips and tricks on how you can change and modify this same one to make a couple of more flavors at the end when we're waiting for the cupcakes to get ready. Alright, okay, this gesture is mainly to support Cry. Okay, do donate generously. The link is available on my page. We will be helping to raise funds to so many children. You can simply even donate using Cry at HDFC Bank with your UPI handle. It's just Cry at HDFC Bank. That's the UPI handle that you can use, and you can start with as little as 100 rupees. It make a difference. Okay, so can we wait for about 5 minutes more for a few? Okay, Dharam, Caroline, oh my, hi Usha, hi Dharam, hi Malini. I'm so happy to see so many of my ex-colleagues from the bank here. It's a pleasure actually. I have not been in touch with many for years. Years? I think it's almost a decade, isn't it? In come Jan, it will be a decade I'm not with the bank. Hi, Yolanda. And my brother. Hi, Selvan. Rachel. Hi, Vinny. Okay. Thank you guys for coming online. And as I said, do donate some amount as little as 100 rupees. Cry at the rate HDFC Bank, or the link to donate via any other mode or any other credit card is on my post and on my page. Okay. Hello Benny. Okay, I will not take long and I will start now. Okay, I did post the ingredients in a list on the page. Okay, let me just check whether you all could access it. I posted it as one of the comments. Could anyone tell you if you all could see it? Yes, Zarab, nice to see you too. Hi Priyanka, how are you? Swapnal, we are here regarding the cupcake recipe. We will do that first. Do donate to Cry. In one of my posts, I'm just trying to locate that one. I had mentioned the ingredients, okay, which if you had kept it ready, we could have, you all could have baked with me. Hi Shivali, nice to see you here. Okay guys, we'll start now. I have to shift this camera and put it on to show you the ingredients as it is from my phone. Okay, so I will turn this thing to face all the ingredient list, and I will tell you. Hi Effie. Okay, hi Resha, good evening. Okay, so guys, I'll just turn my video now to face all the ingredients so you can take a look. Okay, what I'll be using. Just a minute. Tell me if you can see these. Can you see my workstation and my tape and my fingers? Okay, can anyone of you just reply to me? Can you see? Can you all see it? Okay. So you can see it. Is it clear? I need to adjust it? Okay, this is my weighing scale. Can you all hear me? Am I audible? I have simple ingredients which I have measured out and kept here. I'm going to show you an easy recipe which has, okay, here go. Here are the ingredients. I will post the recipe also. You have curd, which is 240 grams. I have sugar, 150 grams. There's butter, or you can use flavorless oil for 125 grams. There's flour, which is 180 grams, from which I have removed 2 tablespoons and added 2 tablespoons of semolina because I like it like that. There's chopped chocolate of 100 grams. I am using pure chocolate. Okay, and I chopped it into cubes like this. I have 1 teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. And I'm out of my vanilla butter in this lockdown, so I'm using Danish butter, okay, essence, or you can use a vanilla extract. I'm out of that too. Okay. So it's very simple now. Am I audible? Can you hear me, or can anyone reply to me? I know the Facebook videos, I think a little lag at what I am at. Okay, so for a better view of all the ingredients, can you now see it? Can someone reply to me, please? I will rearrange. This is sugar 150 grams, curds 240 grams, flour 180 grams, which I have removed 2 tablespoons and added 2 tablespoons of semolina. This butter, which I will melt, this is 125 grams, so you can use either butter and skip the salt. So I have skipped the salt over here, or you add 125 ml of oil and you can add half a teaspoon of salt. And this is chopped chocolate, okay, which will give us that lovely and yummy flavor. So can we go ahead now? I have used standard measuring spoons such as this to measure the baking powder and the baking soda, and probably when we are waiting while baking, we'll try and see how these convert into these small regular spoons like these, for those of you who don't have these measuring spoons at home. I'll try and put in what are these measurements approximately in cups as well, in the regular bowls that you all can use at home. So you can still go ahead and bake this even if you don't have these cups here and these spoons, alright? We'll do that when we're waiting. I have my cupcake tray ready along with these inserts, or you can use Bakewell as well. The bake and serve one, sorry. So go ahead now. Can you see this? I will melt my butter. I'll now add my curd. Okay, I like the thick curd. I just removed it and kept it. Okay, so I'll add the curd and the sugar. The USP is I don't need any mixer, I don't need any condensed milk, I don't need anything. Okay, and now I'll just whisk this together. Okay, it's very easy. I'll just whisk this all together. I just microwave my butter so that it will be melted fine. I'll just whisk this till the sugar is melted. I have used caster sugar so that it melts quickly. You can simply use regular sugar available at home. Put it for a little while and let it sit so that it will melt in the curd. So now you can see it is nicely well melted. Now I will add this melted butter. And I'll mix well till it incorporates. I'll add, can you all see? Okay. I'll add a teaspoon of the vanilla essence. It's got a dropper, so it's taking a while. Okay. I'll mix it well. I'll add the semolina bit. I'll add all the dry ingredients now, or the semolina, and I'll sieve it through. So here goes the flour. If you're using oil, you can add the salt as well now in this. The flour, the baking powder and the baking soda, and I'll sieve it through. I'll just sieve it halfway through and give it a slight fold with a very light hand. Guys, am I audible? Can you all hear me? Can you all hear me there? Okay. Can you all hear me now? Rachel, can you hear me? Should I speak louder? Thanks, Hema. Okay. So I'm lightly folding this. I will also now sieve the remaining. Okay, this some which went in this, I'll just put it here. So I'll just fold this now. Rachel, can you hear me now? You see the batter is nice and this thing. I'll fold this in and I will put my oven to preheat. Okay, I'll show you this. Hi guys, it's me again. Okay, I'll just put my oven to preheat. Okay, this is my oven here. Okay, this is my oven. I will preheat it on both rods at around 180 and for 10 minutes. Okay, I'm just switching it on at around 180 for 10 minutes. I don't have a light in this particular oven, but you can see it will be switched on for 10 minutes on both rods with the fan option on. So I've kept that on now. I folded this and I'll turn it over so you can see the rest in the remainder part. Okay. Turn the video. Can you see it now? Is it good? So I folded it this nicely with a very light hand. If you see, I'm just giving it a nice fold. I hope I'm audible. I'm trying my best to speak louder. Okay. Now I'll put in these chocolate. I forgot this semolina. How could I? I just. Now I will add these chocolate chunks and give it a fold. See? This is so delicious. You know, you can do one thing. You just want to make this into a mocha chocolate. You can add a little bit of instant coffee dissolved, like a 1 tablespoon of instant coffee dissolved with 2 tablespoons of hot water, and you can add it to this and you are ready with some lovely mocha chocolate cupcakes. You know what I can do? I'll just do it for half a batch of it. I'll make 6 like this and the remaining 6 like that. We'll get about 12 out of this. So I'm lining my cupcake tin now. Can you all hear me, guys? Am I audible? Okay, there you go. Okay, my coffee ready so that we can make half of this into those lovely coffee chocolate ones that I was talking to you about. Okay. You see, there you go. We are ready actually. This is very quick to make. And I like to scoop and see that there are a few chocolate bits in each and every bite and each and every cupcake. Others there's no fun. So we'll put it. You know, if you want it nice and mounted up, you fill it a little like 3/4 plus. And if you want it just flat and nice, you just fill it little less than 3/4. Okay. A little more than 6. I did not realize that. I wanted to put the coffee. Guys, can you all hear me? Can you hear me now? Great. Volume is lower. Is it better now? I know I should try to speak louder, but talking to myself louder is seeming a bit insane to me. Okay. Here you go. I have just made a little warm water. I'm going to add a teaspoon of instant coffee. I'll just dissolve it. And add it to my batter. And lightly fold it. And you'll get this most insanely coffee with chocolate. Coffee is one of my favorites, as well as my son. He's only 7, but he's a coffee lover. You know, I want to thank my husband. He's sitting with both the kids in the bedroom and watching TV along with them, so that I am able to teach you all without them popping in and out of here. Okay? So here you go. Some lovely mocha chocolate cupcakes. So as you can see, in this recipe we can get 12 yum cupcakes. Nice and delicious ones, which will be take us about 12 to 14 minutes to bake. So in the meantime, if you have any queries, any suggestions, anything regarding this session of today, and regarding how you should go about donating to CRY, I'm most welcome to answer all your queries. I'll be happy. You can, as I said again, you can donate as little as 100 rupees at the CRY website directly, or at using the UPI handle CRY@UPI @HDFC Bank. I'm sorry, CRY@HDFC Bank. Okay. So now, as you can see, these are all ready. Here you go. I think you already seen that. Let's check my oven. What's it saying? Okay, it's my oven's almost there, so I will place it in the center of my oven and say a small prayer. Thank you, Jesus, for today, for keeping us all safe from corona. Of being healthy in our homes. So guys, again we are here. Okay, I'm here to take any queries that you have. If you have and want me to reply to anything. Hi Bhavya, hi Johan. So nice to see you guys. Hi Dropati. Tessie, can you hear me now? Hi Hema. Hi Ajit, that's a pleasant surprise. Hi Ashwini. Yes, Cheryl, I had shared it in one of the comments. I'll just try sharing it again from my ID, which we had talked about. Rachel, can you hear me now, or is it still soft? Okay, I have now gone through. Sangeeta, you can still continue watching this video. Hi Namita. Hi Shalini, that's a pleasant surprise. Hi Rupal. Hi Shama. Uh, Bhavika, not a problem. You can just log in again. Hi Ankita, that's a surprise. I'm seeing. Oh, hi Sarita. I'm seeing so many ex HDFC colleagues, and it's such a pleasure. I was just counting a little while ago. It's been almost a decade. It will be a decade, in a few months, I guess, that I have been off HDFC. So, guys, again, just a reminder that we are here so that we can garner some funds for those children uh, who are probably starving. We have been fortunate enough to be in the confines of our home and be safe from corona. I'm trying to do my bit and you do yours. Do donate whatever you can, even 100 rupees will do. Hi Suparna. Okay guys, so I share the ingredients with you and the recipe in the recipe card in the comment section. You can make it and share it with us. Hi Sarita. So were you able to understand? Do you have any queries with regards to the recipe? Hello Auntie Yogan's ID. It's so nice to see you. Did you just join in? Any queries for me? Did I miss any queries? Hello Uncle. Hi Avila. Hi Payal. Oh my, I've got people from all around the world. Sorry, I thought it's my oven. So guys, any queries? Suparna, the donation details are mentioned. There is a link in my post on my page. I can PM it to you. You can click on the link and it will take you to the page where you can make the donation. You can otherwise also just log into your mobile or a UPI and do it, cry@HDFC Bank and transfer whatever amount you want. As little as 100 rupees is good enough. Hi Ranjita. Getting used to your name as Dolly yaar. Hi Smita. Hi Dilnawaz. Thanks cuz. So guys, we're just waiting. We are done with mixing the cupcakes and I'm just waiting for them to be ready. I'll share the recipe on my Facebook page and my Instagram. You all can follow me at Happiness Homemade on Insta and Homemade Happiness on Facebook for some more events like this. I keep turning my camera. I'm so sorry about that. So, any of you have any queries? Did you all get the ingredients list? Hi, Zareen. Hi, Sakshi. I didn't know you were here. Hi, Bhavya. Yes, Rachel, flavorless oil, you can substitute it. And if you're using oil, do add half a teaspoon of salt. Since I use salted butter, I skipped the salt in the recipe. Thank you, Ranjita. Thank you, Hema. You can actually also make this recipe with some whole wheat 50-50. They will also turn out good. No worries, you can always watch it online again, Hema. I have cut the sugar in this as we are using a good amount of chocolate. So I have made the sugar less. If you wish, you can also skip the chocolate and increase the sugar and make them as plain vanilla cupcakes. Cheryl, am I still low or I am okay now? Okay, we are almost halfway through the baking process. They are looking quite nice. My oven's just here. Anything else that I would probably can cover up for you? Stay tuned to my page, follow me on Insta. I have something or the other. We just finished with the sourdough starter stuff, wherein we learned how to make a sourdough starter from scratch, and some hot crust buns during Easter. We'll be having some things more with this in this lockdown situation. Apart from today's session, do stay and follow me on Instagram as well as Facebook. Thank you, Hema, so much. Love you. Hi, Gauri. Hi, Sakshi. I will update the recipe card. Okay, if you want me to recap the ingredients, I will tell you once again, because nobody's asking queries and I'm just staring at myself on the screen and I'm feeling a little odd and funny. So I will just do a small recap of the ingredients that I used. Hi, Sujit. Nice to see all my ex-colleagues. Actually, there are so many of you here. Uh, so I will do a quick recap. Okay, I used Subarna, yes, you can try replacing cocoa powder, but you may want to up the sugar a bit. Yes, Gauri, you can still, I know you just tuned in, you can still watch the video. I was replying to Suparna's query. You can put cocoa powder, Gauri, Suparna, sorry, but however, you will have to change this change the sugar and all, so it will be a little bit of mess. You may have to increase the sugar, cause the cocoa powder is a little bitter. So unless you like less sweet, you can simply remove a tablespoon or so. Instead of sugar, I would recommend in this, instead of cocoa powder, you can try drinking chocolate. That will give a nice flavor. And as I showed you, if you were tuned in, we did the last, I made 6 of them with coffee. You can do that. You can also put with the chunks, you can otherwise use a little bit of orange zest and a little orange essence instead of the vanilla, and make them as orange and chocolate chunky cuppies. Hi Riddhi. Okay, I'll just show you how this is looking, guys, for a little while now. Just a minute. Okay, here they are. Don't know whether you can. Okay, that's better, right? Here they are, and my house is smelling of that lovely butter flavor. See that? So we have 6 choco chunkies, and we have 6 mocha chocolate chunks. Thanks, Neelam. So is there any queries or anything that I can answer you guys? My kids must be just waiting now, unless their movie is not over. So I was doing a small recap of the recipe. Sorry, I don't know why I digressed out of that. You need 240 grams of thick curd, 150 grams of sugar, 180 grams of flour. I removed 2 or 3 tablespoons, and I added 2 tablespoons of semolina because I like the texture. Okay, Shama, it is about for 12 to 14 minutes I will bake it, and at about 180 temperature. And I removed I came with semolina. I am using 125 grams of butter melted, or you can substitute it with any flavorless and odorless oil. If you're using oil, you need to add half a teaspoon of salt. I used Amul butter here, which is salted one, and I skipped the salt. OTG and capacity doesn't matter. I skipped the salt, and I added 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda. Yes, that's about it. Okay. So with the procedure, I mix the curd along with the sugar. You can use any sugar. I use castor sugar here. You can use any sugar. You don't need to powder it. You can, if it is a little bigger granules, you can dissolve it in the curd and keep it there, and let it stay there for 5 to 10 minutes, and then whisk it till it melts properly. Now add the butter or the oil, whatever of your choice, and mix it well. Once it's mixed well, you can see the dry ingredients, which is the flour, semolina, the baking powder, baking soda. If you're using oil, then the salt you will add in here, and you will sieve it well. In the butter, after adding the butter, I did add essence as well. I used Fab Danish butter here, as I ran out of my vanilla essence totally. So I used the lovely butter essence. I have a vanilla butter which is absolutely fabulous, and it's over, so I'm using this today. And I added the chocolate in the end. I added the chopped chocolate, and we put to bake. I did divide the batter into 2, and I added 1 tablespoon of water for 1 teaspoon of coffee. I dissolved it and added to the butter. So that will give me a lovely mocha chocolate chunk cupcakes. And as I said, there's another variation that I told you for those who love chocolate, orange and chocolate. You can add the zest of orange and a little orange essence, and follow everything same. Skip the vanilla essence and add this, and you get lovely chocolate and orange cupcakes, which is a fabulous combination. Hi Madeline. Hi Nina. Give me a sec. Let me just check what are these doing. Just a minute. Okay. Now for the moment of truth to open these up. Okay. Let's check. How are we doing now? Okay, so if you see here, we are almost ready. So I will give it a check now. Okay, I'm trying to avoid the camera light flashing on my oven. Okay. Okay. So I will do a quick check and see whether they are done. In the meantime, if you have any queries for me, you can post it here. Hi Ekta. Sorry. I'm just doing a quick check. Would you like to check it with me? Okay. See here, I'm just, they're almost done. There you go. Okay, so give me a couple of minutes and they are almost done. Oh, thanks, Corey. That was a surprise to me too. Yes, Tessie, you can do it with 50-50. If you're using entirely wheat, you will get a slight bit of, a little bit of sticky palate. So you can do 50-50, and if you're using wheat, I will suggest that you sieve it 3 to 4 times from a little bit of height to aerate it and to avoid that kind of sticky feeling. Thanks, Kavita. Okay, we're ready. I'll just get it out. Here you go. This is a moment of truth. Manoj. Okay. So now we are ready. I will remove it and put it on a wire rack. Siddhant. Siddhant. Okay. So you can see. So I'm just picking them up carefully. I'm putting them on the wire up here. Siddhan, can you see my wire rack? Okay. See here? I'm just putting them to cool. Oh. Namita, to taste any cakes, you have to be in my kitchen. After COVID, we'll definitely meet. Okay? Here we are. We'll wait for this to cool a bit. Okay, we'll wait for these to cool a bit before I can show you a small crumb shot of how it actually looks. So give it say about 10 minutes. I'll upload it on my page. If you have any queries for me, I would love to answer them. Just a minute. Okay. Siddhan, come fast. Okay. So guys, once again I appeal to you to, if you love this session and you like what I taught you, do donate cry@HDFC Bank. That's the UPI ID. You can also click on the link and pay in as little as 100 rupees. Do follow our page at Homemade Happiness on Facebook and Happiness Homemade on Instagram. And this is my son Siddhan. Okay.
So, testing. It's now better to eat.
Yes, it's ready to eat.
Yes.
It's hot. Is
But
it?
little warm textured and correct temperature.
Correct temperature. Okay. Do you want to break one and see? But that's too hot, Siddhan. Okay.
Like this one.
That's coffee. I
This
need
is
coffee
better.
one. He'll always go for the coffee ones.
This is the better one.
That's a better one, right? So do you want to eat it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just a minute.
With icing, please.
With icing.
Yum, hot.
Okay. The TV is waiting. So we are gone. He ran away. Sure, Sarita. Okay guys, I'll sign off now. If you have any queries, do leave a message. I hope you loved our video. I hope you loved this. I hope you will try this recipe and leave your feedback on our page. Don't forget again to donate whatever you can for those little kids who are going hungry. I wish I could send them a box of these. Take care. Okay, here comes the other one. Can you give me a little? Say hi, Sia. Say hi. Say hi. No, okay, say bye. Say bye then. No. Okay. We don't feel like talking. So, okay, bye guys. See you all soon. Say bye then. I'm saying bye. Okay, you don't have to say bye. You'll have a cupcake? Okay, I'll give you a cupcake. Bye guys, and see you soon again.
Bye.